In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Freshbooks. If you've been managing your business finances through Freshbooks, you probably already know how it can make invoicing and financial tracking so much easier. However, when it comes to managing estimates and approvals, things can get a little tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. First, let's ensure you're logged into your Freshbooks account. Now, to approve an estimate, you'll first need to locate it. So navigate to the Estimates section within your dashboard. This is where you'll find any estimates that have been sent out and are awaiting approval. Look for the list of estimates displayed on your screen. It might help to use the search bar if you remember specific details about the estimate, like the client's name or the date it was created. Once you've found the estimate that you want to approve, take a moment to review it thoroughly. It's always a good idea to double-check all the details, like the services listed, quantities, rates, and any other pertinent information, just to make sure everything's in order. After you've confirmed that everything is correct, you'll need to check the box next to the estimate. This action will select the estimate and prepare it for further action. It's important to make sure you're checking the right estimate, especially if there are multiple estimates in your list. With the estimate selected, your next step is to click on the Actions button. You'll usually find this button located above the list of estimates or as part of a drop-down menu. Clicking on this button will present you with a variety of options on what you can do with the selected estimate. From the options that appear, you will want to select Accept. By doing this, you're telling the system that you officially approve this estimate. Once accepted, this estimate can lead to further actions, such as an invoice being sent to your client or marking it as accepted for your records. Remember, actions like accepting an estimate in Freshbooks are typically final, so it's a good habit to always check everything thoroughly before you proceed with approval. If you need to make any changes, or if there's something in the estimate that needs to be amended, you might want to contact your client or make the necessary adjustments before you accept it. And there you have it, a straightforward way to approve an estimate in Freshbooks, ensuring that you can keep your projects moving forward efficiently. With practice, this process will become second nature, helping you manage your business finances with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.